Guess who I'm with? My hubsies at his mama's house in New York City, Lower East Side, Manhattan. And we're gonna go to the Sill today, guys. The Sill. You know, the popular The Sill. It's
I've been there already, but you know.
I know, everybody has except for me.
Turn.
It's just a few blocks from his mom's house. So pretty fortunate on that. So come with us. So excited. There's the husband back there on his cell phone. Hi, babe. Bought me a plant. I'll do a plant haul when I get home. It's just one plant. And then I'll also show you what my sister-in-law bought. Let's do a little plant haul. We're gonna start with this one. My sister-in-law got this little fiddle leaf. It's really cute and it's got some new leaves there. I got this Hoya. So super duper cute, carry eye. This will probably grow a vine and possibly other leaves from what they told me, but it would take a really long time and they probably won't grow a lot. But I got it just because it's a simple heart leaf and I'm just gonna put it in the soil just like that. All right, guys, it's editing Nicole here because I forgot to film my outro yesterday after shopping at the Sill because I have another video coming very soon of like 6 or 7 other plant shops. So there was just so much recording going on yesterday that I completely forgot to film an outro. So stay tuned for that other video coming soon. I love the Sill. It was very cute. I understand why it's so famous, so insta famous, that is. It is a little small in there, so it was very cramped. I feel like if they were maybe twice the size they are now, it would be a little bit more comfortable in there, but nonetheless, it was super cute, and I'm happy with what I got. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!